Once you are fully vaccinated, 2 weeks after your last dose, you can shed your mask.
Now at 7, a major announcement from the CDC today. Health officials say those who are vaccinated no longer need to wear masks or practice social distancing. May 13th, it's a date we will all likely remember. The recommendation is an enormous turning point of the pandemic and life-altering news for those of us tired of restrictions needed to stop the spread of the virus.
The announcement might also serve as an incentive to millions of people who are still holding out on getting vaccinated. To some, getting back to normal might be reason enough to take the shot.
If you are fully vaccinated, you can start doing the things that you had stopped doing because of the pandemic. We have all longed for this moment when we can get back to some sense of normalcy. Based on the continuing downward trajectory of cases, the scientific data on the performance of our vaccines, and our understanding of how the virus spreads, that moment has come for those who are fully vaccinated.
Following the announcement from the CDC, President Biden also spoke, congratulating Americans on their efforts to combat the virus, but also saying we're not done yet.
There's still more work ahead. But I've said many times, as tough as this pandemic has been, we will get through it. We will rebuild our economy, reclaim our lives, and get back to normal. We'll laugh again. We'll know joy again, and we'll smile again.
Of course, many questions still remain, including who will follow the new recommendations and what will businesses decide to do.
Then there are those who, after a year of following strict guidelines, will feel anxious about suddenly going back to normal. CBS 4's Jessica Vallejo joins us live tonight to address some of these issues and more. Jessica.
That's right, Lauren. In LA, what today an infectious disease specialist that I spoke to said it comes down to just protecting yourself. And one way to do that is by using situational awareness. The CDC cited 3 studies that show vaccines work, but Dr. Aileen Marty, an infectious disease specialist who has been on the front lines since the beginning of the pandemic, says
this time they're going a little too fast, just a little bit too fast. It's true that the risks to vaccinated people has gone down dramatically. It's true that our numbers in the United States have gone down dramatically on a per day basis. And here in South Florida in particular, we've been below 5% positivity for a while now. Unfortunately, on a global scale, this thing is actually accelerating. We're seeing more cases per day and more deaths per day.
Dr. Marty reminding us while being inoculated with a vaccine, one can still pass on the coronavirus.
Still, 1 in 20 people, even fully vaccinated, can get sick.
In the state of Florida, Governor Ron DeSantis and legislature have outright banned vaccine passports, meaning you do not know and cannot find out who is actually vaccinated. Dr. Marty says we must protect ourselves and use situational awareness.
We don't know the situation for strangers. So if you have an underlying condition or any reason to think that you're at increased risk, then that's what I'm talking about with situational awareness. Sure, you don't have to wear a mask because you're fully vaccinated, but maybe it might make sense that you do.
The CDC announced the requirement to wear masks during travel on trains, buses, planes, and public transportation still stands. You must also still wear a mask at healthcare settings, correctional facilities, homeless shelters, and businesses that require you to do so.
Employers can still require their employees to wear masks. So we would expect with this new guidance that many employers will start to relax.
Employment attorney Carter Cox says businesses could potentially ask their employees about their vaccination status.
Businesses could potentially ask their employees about their vaccination status. However, we're advising employers not to impose different rules for vaccinated versus non-vaccinated employees, because doing so could lead to an inadvertent ADA or HIPAA violation.
Now, Miami-Dade and Broward schools have not released a new plan since these new CDC guidelines came out. However, they did say children 12 and under are considered unvaccinated. I'm live in Doral, Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 News.